Pharmacies are losing a lot of money. This juice heals gastritis, diabetes, liver and heart. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the best. This recipe can be very easy to prepare, it costs almost nothing, and it can really help. You might wonder why somebody wanted to drink potato juice, but not everything has to be a good taste. Most things that heal have an unattractive taste for us, and what has a better taste, more often than not it hurts us. Potato juice is quite tasteless, but it is very healthy, and is included in the medical brain diet. 1. The body becomes alkaline. Potato juice can help to establish the body's acid balance, which is especially important for us since today's diets cause the body. 2. Help against gout. It reduces the level of uric acid and therefore helps against gout. 3. It has anti-inflammatory action. Potato juice can help with arthritis and other forms of inflammatory processes, especially in joints and back pain. It also stimulates circulation throughout the body. 4. Cleanses the liver. Therefore it can be used for detox diets, but it can also facilitate liver and gallbladder function if there are problems. For this purpose, drink a cup of this juice in the morning on an empty stomach. 5. Helps in the treatment of gastritis and ulcer. Therefore, it is advisable to consume a spoonful of potato juice diluted in water half an hour before breakfast, lunch and dinner. Preparation. 1. It is very simple to perform the healing with this juice. Wash potatoes and peel them and remove all green parts and shoots. Then with gallerlas and put it on a linen cloth and drain the juice. You can also use a juicer. 2. Always drink the freshly squeezed juice, and if you do not like the taste, you can mix it with lemon juice, carrot, apple and honey.